Waza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly bangenza wethu. Uyabona kunepost engiyibonile la abantu benkatha Nkosi yami bagqokiswa izikipa ze-EFF neze-NFP baqeda bashayisa ulayini baphinde bakhunyulwa lezi zikipa bagqokisa ezenkatha. Uyabona uma ngabe uzokwenza le nto leyana yokuxhaphaza thina kungcono at least uzame ukhulume nabantu be-EFF ubanika imali bakunika izikipa zabendala kade wasabegqoka nabe-AFP uyabo ubanike bese ugqokisa abantu bakho ke lapho ozobe ubacelile ukuthi ufuna ukwenza ngathi uzoreveal abantu abajoin iqembu lakho. Uyabo ungathi ukwenza ngendlela enenza ngayo man. Uyabona iqembu lenkatha bafethu with all the flaws that it has, but ngesikhathi lise ngaphansi kwesandla sikamkhulu. Angisho lokhu ngoba kuumkhulu wami cha, kodwa nje ngesikhathi lingaphansi kwesandla sikamkhulu belihlonishwa iqembu lenkatha ngoba umkhulu beyimela nje into yakhe. Uyabo umkhulu kubeyimela ngempela into yakhe ke lapho futhi ke angifuni nje unikhohlisa ubeyimela into yakhe i-wrong i-right uyayimela. Manje njengoba sekuyiqembu likamkhulu uHlabisa, hayi umkhulu uHlabisa angimtholi kahle indlela kageja ngayo, hayi uyageja lo yababa nethimba lakhe leli omkhuleko ontuli bayageja bafethu angazi ukuthi bafuna ukuyisaphi kahle kahle inkatha. Uyabo nje ama decision abawathathayo most of them are very wrong from the onset. Uyabona kwathi maqhamuka iMK bekule nto yabo yeMoonpack neDa kwakumele lapha they should have read the room ukuthi no man, even though mhlambe we don't agree in many things in many things nomsholozi, but for the sake of into eyodwa ebalekile le efaka amakhosi, why don't we actually try and be in partnership ne-MK kule caucus yabo parliamentary caucus. Uyabo basondelane ne-MK for izinto at least ezinjengale ngiqeda ukisho yamakhosi because bona vele bakulola yini, but they decided ukuthi no bona bazohlala lapha kule yami impheke yabo kuze kufike indaba ukuthi kwenziwe le GNU babe iphathi ye GNU ngo-18% wabo bafuna ukuphatha iKZN ngo-18%. So that was wrong. That was actually a wrong decision. Yabo. So manje they are trying but they are not going to win because why? Even inqoba bayithatha manje zirong kwazona. Yabo. So ukube kuthiwa iIFP yabona namanje ukuthi ukuqhubeka kwezinto kusuka manje kuzoba worse. iIFP kumanje bekumele ngabe iyaphuma eKZN iyekele iMK iqhubeke. Uyabo? But bayazi ukuthi they are going to lose, but it's better to lose kancane manje because after next year they are going to win big. But they don't understand. Yabona le nto leyayo ukuthi ufuna ukujabulisa omunye umuntu but wena ujabule is very painful because whatever that they are doing ayibajabulisi bona njengamanje because abantu babalekile. So next year kuzoba worse. 2029 I don't even want to talk because kuzobe ku worse than Westgate because already now there are people they tell their people to vote with the DA or to vote for the DA because that's what they are now. Sebe DA light bayizicathana ze DA. Uyabo? So lento ekhulunywa uNtuli lapha yana naye ezositshela ukuthi lento yamagubcha is very dead. That thing it's dead. Yahluleka ikhulunywa abantu abaningi ababeyitshela ukuthi bawohleva yabahlula le nto leyayo ukuthi amagubcha nomzuma kwasha kwacima yabahlula le nto leya. So iIFP mina ukube kuyangami iIFP ngabe kumanje iyaphuma kuyo yonke lento because sonke sifuna ukubuyisa izwe, sifuna ukubuyisa iKZN kube ngeyethu singayibangi sibuyise izwe ngokupheleleyo. So iIFP kumele ibone manje ukuthi hayi man yabona masoqhubeka ne-DA no freedom front plus akukho la soya khona abantu bazosilahla sizosala sodwa iqembu elizodominate kuzoba i-MK kube i-ANC kube ilokhuzana i-DA thina sobe singekho ndawo. So i-IFP bafethu ake nibatshele la nikhona nine nikwazi ukusondela nje eduze kwabo even ama-voters e-IFP ukuthi vukani madoda. Isikhathi se-IFP siyaphela uma ngabe i-IFP ingavuka emaqandeni ishiye phansi lenhlanganisela abayihlanganisela nabacindezeli. Noma ngabe kuthiwa kwakuna ziphi ivumelwano kudalo, but bona they can still save themselves because bazohlambalazeka very soon. And le nto ukuthi bazosebenzisa inkani, isikhathi senkani siyasiphela guys. Yabona isikhathi senkani, yabo lenkani abayisebenzise KZN ngokuthatha iKZN behlangene ne-DA ne-ANC. That thing is coming to an end. Angazi noma niyangizwana wema IFP.